Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Crest 3D Whitening is probably one of the most sought-after products in the oral care industry. Today, we're diving deep into the world of teeth whitening to see if this popular choice lives up to the hype. We'll explore its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, providing you with everything you need to know before making a purchase. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind a brighter, more confident smile. Number 5. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Teeth Whitening Kit. Want a brighter smile? This kit offers professional-level whitening, achieving up to 19 levels whiter teeth. It provides results comparable to a $400 professional treatment. From the leading dentist-recommended brand, this product uses the same ingredients dentists use. It's enamel-safe and delivers effective whitening results. These strips feature advanced seal technology for a no-slip grip. You can talk and even drink water while using them. Each kit includes 20 treatments, with an upper and lower strip for each use. Plus, you get 2 bonus treatments for a total of 22. Get ready for your big day. This is perfect for wedding day essentials, ensuring a dazzling smile for those special moments. It's easy to use and effective. What we like? This kit offers professional-level whitening at home, achieving results comparable to expensive treatments. It's perfect for those special occasions when you want to make a dazzling impression. If you're preparing for a wedding or a big event, this is the perfect choice to give you a confident, radiant smile. What people say. After using them consistently, I noticed a visible difference in the whiteness of my teeth, and the results looked very natural and professional. The strips are easy to apply and stay in place well during use, which makes them convenient to fit into a daily routine. After just a few treatments, I could see a clear difference in how much whiter my teeth looked, and the results continue to improve with consistent use. Number 4. Crest Charcoal 3D White Toothpaste, Pack of 3. Introducing Crest Charcoal 3D White, a toothpaste designed to brighten your smile. This product utilizes a unique formula to help remove surface stains, leaving your teeth looking their best. This gentle whitening toothpaste is tough on stains but kind to your teeth. It's designed for everyday use, helping you achieve a brighter smile without harshness. The black and white striped toothpaste not only cleans but also strengthens. It helps to remineralize weakened tooth enamel, contributing to overall oral health. With fluoride, this toothpaste actively fights cavities. It helps protect your teeth from decay, keeping your smile healthy and strong. Experience a long-lasting cooling sensation with the invigorating mint flavor. It leaves your mouth feeling fresh and clean after every use. Trust the #1 toothpaste brand in America. This product is brought to you by a brand you can rely on for quality and effectiveness. What we like? This toothpaste uses charcoal to gently lift away surface stains, revealing a brighter smile. It also strengthens your enamel, protecting your teeth. If you enjoy coffee, tea, or other stain-causing foods and drinks, this toothpaste will help you maintain a brighter smile while caring for your enamel. What people say. Crest 3D Whitestrips are easy to use. The strips are very effective at whitening teeth. The product is designed to whiten teeth. Number 3. Crest 3D Whitestrips Glamorous White Teeth Whitening Kit. Are you ready for a brighter smile? These strips are designed to give you noticeably whiter teeth. It's a convenient and effective way to achieve a dazzling smile. This kit offers a glamorous white result. The advanced formula helps remove years of stains. Get ready to experience a more confident you. The strips are incredibly easy to apply. Simply peel, apply, and reveal your whiter smile. It fits your daily routine perfectly. This pack contains 32 strips, enough for multiple uses. You'll get a complete teeth whitening treatment. Get ready to see the difference. Transform your smile with these whitening strips. It's a simple, effective, and affordable way to achieve a brighter, more confident smile. Try it today. What we like? These strips offer a convenient way to whiten your teeth with noticeable results. They are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. If you are looking for a simple, effective, and hassle-free way to brighten your smile, these strips are a great option. What people say. Crest 3D Whitestrips are easy to use. The strips are comfortable to wear. They effectively whiten teeth. Number 2. Crest 3D Whitestrips Express Whitening Kit. Want a brighter smile, faster? This kit uses a light to weaken stains. This allows the whitening ingredients to work more quickly than using strips alone. This product is clinically proven to remove years of stains. In just 10 treatments, you can achieve a noticeably whiter smile. From the #1 dentist recommended brand, this product is both safe and effective. It uses the same ingredients that dentists use for professional whitening. The strips use advanced seal technology to stay in place. You can talk and go about your day while the product works its magic. Each kit includes a light and 10 treatments. Each treatment has 1 upper and 1 lower strip. Simply apply once a day for 60 minutes, then use the light. What we like? This kit uses an LED light to accelerate the whitening process, delivering faster results. It's clinically proven to remove years of stains in just a few treatments. If you need a quick and effective whitening solution for a special event or simply want to see results sooner, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. Crest 3D Whitestrips are easy to use. The strips are thin and flexible, which makes them comfortable to wear. The product effectively whitens teeth. Number 1. Crest 3D White Brilliance 2-Step Kit. This Crest 3D White Brilliance Kit helps keep your smile incredibly white. With daily use, it can get your teeth up to 99% as white as a professional polish. This product is designed for effective whitening. Enjoy the convenience of at-home teeth whitening with this system. It includes Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. It's a simple way to achieve a brighter smile. Step 1 of this kit is a deep cleanser. It thoroughly cleans and freshens your mouth. This step prepares your teeth for the whitening process. Step 2 is a whitening gel that gives you a radiant smile. It helps to whiten your teeth, enhancing your overall appearance. Use it to achieve a brighter and more confident smile. The Crest 3D White Brilliance 2-Step Kit offers complete teeth care. It combines a deep cleansing toothpaste with a whitening finisher. This system is designed for comprehensive oral hygiene. What we like? This 2-step system provides professional whitening results, keeping your smile incredibly white. The deep cleanser removes impurities, and the whitening gel brightens your teeth. If you want a comprehensive teeth whitening experience with deep cleaning and lasting results, this 2-step kit is ideal for you. What people say. I was impressed with the results. I use whitening toothpaste, strips, and pens, but as far as toothpaste goes, I could instantly see and feel a difference using this. This and the Deep Stain Remover toothpaste both within a month have removed over 30 years of smoker stains. It cleans, whitens, and brightens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.